Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial river channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to find recently watched video on Facebook. First of all, open your Facebook apps. Now I'm opening this. Tap on the profile icon and tap on the three dot and activity log. Click here. Activity history, and tap on filter. Tap on here. Tap on select post, and then finally tap on videos you are watched. Okay, now shown here your all videos to you watched recently, and shown here date and time. That's how you can do it. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial river channel for more video.